Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. I've been using it for almost 1 hour and most of the time I've spent on the settings and the camera. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. And basically you've got two different ways to check some further details. You can tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard which will show you the exact screen time in particular days of the week, so you can always compare it. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and under it you've got the list of apps you've been using. You can also tap on the particular app, so the settings, camera, Chrome, etc. Let me pick the settings, and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with only this one app. Again, you can change the screen time to the options I've previously shown you, or the daily to hourly. It's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.